Hello everybody, today we're going to show you how to change the battery on a 2022 Grand Wagoneer Jeep, which is going to be identical to a lot of new Chrysler fobs. So first we're going to take something skinny like a little flathead that I like to use. We're going to take out the emergency key button by pressing the button on the side and sliding the key outwards. And now we're going to look for a point that we can pretty much divide the shell of the key in two. So I like to just poke around right there very easily. As you can see, it starts to separate, and I'm going to pull off on it, trying to do it evenly as we can. There we go, and the case is off. Okay, as you can see, the battery is right here, so they did leave a little opening right there for the battery to slide out. So we're going to simply take the flathead screwdriver and we're just going to yank out, and the battery is out of the case. Oops, drop down. As you can see, here's the battery. So you're going to put the new battery, which is a 2450. It's a little thicker than normal, and you're just going to slide it back in and give it a good little tug once it's in the proper placement. Just want to make sure that the clips are fine. We can go down this way. Nope, actually that way is the best. All right, so we're going to give it a nice little push after it's in. There we go. Battery's back in, so we're going to slide it in towards the two, almost like a steel tension bars. And the clips right there keep it in place. And we're going to pop the cover back on and slide the key back in. And that's how you change the battery on a 2022 and up Chrysler Fabic. Thanks for watching.